Oh my God, that is so decent to see this in real life.
Yes.
Oh my God, I only see this on National Geographic. Like, this is so lit. Like, wow. Welcome to Antigua.
You're in paradise.
This is the stuff that dreams are made of. This is why I tell my mom, you got to go off the resort. You got to hang with the locals.
You got to do that.
So you can see stuff that you wouldn't ordinarily get to see, you know?
Remember when you're in the resort, it's all about business.
Exactly. But this right here, this is exciting.
Wow.
I'm sorry, Lobster. I'm going to eat you later.
What's your fuck? You want that big one?
Yes.
These lobsters are only like $15 a pound. Or per lobster, I meant to say. So you know I'm here to give me one.
Same size? Okay. And two the big man. Yeah, he don't even come out.
He knows he's about to die. They are huge.
Yeah, then two the. Okay, watch them boy, but I'm never miss them.
Watch your toes.
Okay, watch them boy, but I'm never miss them.
Watch your toes.